Started from the grocery store, now I own the grocery store. Head spinning through the aisles, flipping through my marble floor. Dropping this track, you already wanting more. God gives me everything. We playing for the people who keep hating. Teachers say we couldn't make it, but we still do what we love. Now we heading for the hills, we be watching from above. Now my dance be on fleek, yeah. Can't keep up with my streak, yeah. And your style is antique, yeah. Made your year last week, yeah. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you ain't scared. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you know you lit. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you ain't scared. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you know you lit. They call me Sa'a.
It's me, Katie, and today I have this new account and I'm going to see, you know, like these levelings where you get gifts. I'm going to see what I'm going to get. So sorry if my voice is fast and you don't know what I'm saying. Also, comment down below if you want a song in the background and your choice of the song. Also, if you like this song, because I chose it out, it's called You Know You Lit. It's one of the best songs ever. I just love this song. And Lucas and Mike has made it, so thank you so much for making this song. It's amazing. Anyways, what we will be doing, we will be doing the leveling thing. So I'm gonna go into my sister's account. Wait, should I ask my sister? Sister, can I go on your account? Whatever. She says whatever. Okay. Alright then.
All these kids, they faking. Filet mignon, we staking. Supercars, no breaking. Channel man, heartbreaking. I got all these model fans.
Okay.
Army, we fam.
Now, I'm going to give a grade to the perfect easy one. The one that I just made.
She got my name on her crop top. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you ain't scared. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you know you lit. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you ain't scared. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you know you lit. GTR, I'm swerving. What? Got your head turning. 220 on the dash. Launch control, whiplash. Got swag like my twin. Watch your flip do a spin. That's my fam, that's my team. Now we living a dream. Is it too big to be true? What? When the balls in my crew? Yeah. Grocery store, who knew? Was here when nobody knew. I'm gonna end it right here. I'm gonna hit it right here. Got my flow chilling right here. I'm gonna stay whipping right here. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you ain't scared. Hit it like you don't care. Hit it if you know you lit.
Yes, row number 8. What? That's well bad. No! Oh my god, I give it to the wrong freaking account. I'm gonna put it on hide so I know that no one's talking to me. Oh, so while I'm doing this... Wait, how do I get more diamonds? I had 71 just a second ago. That's super weird. Anyways, I'm gonna go on, I'm gonna do it here. So, right, so I'm gonna go on here. I wonder what I'm gonna get. Wait, I had 86 just. Oh, it's because I spent it. That's weird. No, it's not. I'm weird. Special greeting was unsexual. Why? Seriously, come on. Maybe if I try now. I leveled up. Yes. Oh. None of them are rares. That's pretty weird. None of them were really rares. I think this is a rare, I'm not sure. They're all boring anyway. I think I just like the hat. I guess that's okay. Let's have a look if I get all of them. So no, I haven't actually got any rares in this account yet. So I haven't got any rares. Wait, I didn't get all of them. That's a bit weird. This is a scam. It says it'll get better, but this is getting worse. So MSP is kind of lying a bit. So it's kind of a bit laggy, but I mean, it's good. It's lying, and I don't know why. It's kind of mean. I'm just gonna spam this with lots of autos, and when I get to level 9, I will see what I got. 3,000 years I finally leveled up. I haven't seen what I've got because I've just been sending autos and greets. Autos and greets. Oh no, it's school tomorrow, I just remembered. Oh man. So I hopefully, fingers crossed, I got a rare. Oh my god, seriously? I want a rare. A lot of people say you get. I don't like any of them. Claim. I don't want any of them. I thought it says it gets better. I don't like that. It looks disgusting. Oh my god, seriously? Oh, it took me forever to get onto level 8. I didn't get any. I only get 1. I'm not even getting any hair anymore. I think I'm just gonna get lots of money and then like spend it in the shops and like stuff like that. And like I watch like my art books and stuff. So I'll be back when I'm level 10. Sorry guys, I cannot get it to level 10 fast enough. So because all my diamonds are nearly gone. It's at 10. And so I've been spamming it with autos, you see. I've been spamming it with autos every 2 minutes. So yeah, I will see you all later. And well, obviously MSP's live. They don't get better at all. Comment down below if this hat is comment down if this hat's rare. No, so I just spent most of my money on this outfit. It's really nice and cute. Add me on the UK server, Perfect KD 101. This is a new account that I made up. Bye everyone.